The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 is here, and it's nothing short of a superbike masterpiece. Aprilia has consistently pushed the limits of performance and technology in its flagship RSV4, and the 2026 model takes things to a whole new level. From MotoGP-derived engineering to the most advanced electronics package ever fitted to a production Aprilia, this bike is built for riders who crave nothing but the best on both road and track. In today's deep dive, we'll break down everything that makes the 2026 RSV4 a game-changer, from engine upgrades to new aerodynamics and everything in between. A legacy of speed and innovation. Since its debut in 2009, the RSV4 has been Aprilia's crown jewel, a true race bike for the street. Over the years, the RSV4 has seen constant evolution, from displacement increases to improved electronics and chassis refinement. It's not just about being fast, it's about delivering performance in a way that's intuitive, confidence-inspiring, and thrilling. The 2026 RSV4 continues that tradition, now taking direct cues from Aprilia's RSGP MotoGP prototype to create what may be the most track-focused RSV4 yet. Engine and performance upgrades. At the heart of the 2026 RSV4 is the legendary 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, one of the few V4 configurations left in the superbike world. This engine now delivers a staggering 222 horsepower, thanks to revised valve timing, lighter internals, and improved combustion efficiency. Aprilia has also focused on making the power band more usable, with a stronger mid-range and smoother throttle response. In addition, the bike features a new titanium Akrapovic exhaust system that not only reduces weight but also enhances sound and performance. Paired with a redesigned airbox and a more advanced ride-by-wire system, the RSV4 feels more responsive and aggressive than ever before. Acceleration is brutal, yet finely controllable, ideal for shaving seconds off lap times. Aerodynamics and chassis refinement. One of the standout visual and functional changes in the 2026 RSV4 is its updated aerodynamics. Aprilia has introduced new carbon fiber winglets, reshaped bodywork, and a more aerodynamic front fairing, all inspired directly by their MotoGP efforts. These upgrades increase downforce at high speeds and improve overall stability under hard braking and cornering. The frame remains the same ultralight aluminum twin-spar chassis, but Aprilia has revised the swing arm and subframe for better mass centralization. The result is sharper handling, greater agility, and even more precise feedback through the corners. Whether you're flicking through S-curves or launching out of hairpins, the RSV4 responds like a scalpel. Suspension and braking. The 2026 RSV4 now comes equipped with the latest Öhlins Smart EC 3.0 semi-active suspension system. This setup continuously adapts to road and track conditions in real time, offering unmatched performance and comfort. Riders can choose between multiple modes for road, sport, and track use, with the ability to fine-tune settings on the fly via the updated TFT display. Braking is handled by Brembo Stylema, our calipers gripping massive 330mm discs up front, offering race-grade stopping power. The braking feel is razor-sharp, and with the integrated cornering ABS system, you get confidence-inspiring control even under extreme lean angles or emergency braking situations. Advanced Electronics Suite. Aprilia has always been at the forefront of motorcycle electronics, and the 2026 RSV4 sets a new benchmark. It features the latest APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system, which includes traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, launch control, and cruise control, all of which are adjustable on the go. The updated 6-axis IMU provides real-time data to the bike's brain, ensuring optimal performance under all conditions. Riders can select from multiple riding modes, including customizable Track Pro modes, which allow adjustments to every parameter of the bike's behavior. The new 5.5-inch TFT screen is larger, brighter, and features improved graphics for better visibility during both day and night rides. Bluetooth and Aprilia's MIA connectivity system come standard, allowing smartphone integration, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride data logging. Design and ergonomics. Visually, the 2026 RSV4 is a showstopper. It retains the aggressive, race-bred silhouette but features sleeker bodywork, sharper lines, and more exposed carbon fiber elements. New color options like racing red, matte thunder gray, and factory carbon give the bike a menacing and premium look. Ergonomically, Aprilia has listened to rider feedback and refined the seating position. The new seat is more comfortable for longer rides, while the revised tank shape provides better grip for the knees under hard braking. Foot pegs and clip-ons are fully adjustable, ensuring the ideal setup for riders of all sizes and preferences. Pricing and availability. As expected from a premium Italian superbike, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 doesn't come cheap. Prices start around $25,000 for the standard version, while the top-tier factory trim, loaded with carbon parts, electronic suspension, and forged wheels, pushes the price closer to $30,000. Availability will be limited in some markets, as Aprilia plans a staggered global release throughout early to mid-2026. Pre-orders are already live in select countries, and dealers are reporting strong interest from track enthusiasts and collectors alike. Final thoughts. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 is not just another superbike, it's a precision-built machine designed for riders who demand the absolute best in performance, technology,